Welcome to our channel. Today we how to earn thousands of points with credit card bonuses step by step clearly. First, understand the different types of credit card bonuses available. Research cards that offer sign-up bonuses for new customers. Check for current promotions to maximize potential rewards. Compare annual fees with the value of the bonuses offered. Look for cards with bonus categories like travel, dining, or groceries. Sign up for a credit card that aligns with your spending habits. Make sure to meet any minimum spending requirements within the promotional period. Track your spending to ensure you reach the threshold comfortably. Consider using the card for everyday purchases to meet the spending goal. Pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Look for cards that provide bonus points for referrals. Share your experience with friends who may benefit. Monitor your credit score to ensure it remains healthy. Be mindful of opening too many cards at once, as this can impact your score. Evaluate the rewards structure of each card regularly. Redeem your points strategically for maximum value, such as travel or cash back. Combine points from multiple cards if possible to boost your rewards total. Join loyalty programs that partner with your credit card for enhanced benefits. Stay updated on new offers and promotions to switch cards if needed. Review your finances periodically to adjust your credit card strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively earn thousands of points with credit card bonuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.